How to turn off sync contacts on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, click on Settings and Privacy. And here, from the Account section, click on Privacy. And from the Discoverability section, you will see the option that says Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends. Click on it. And here, the first section, it says Contacts. And you will see that the Sync Contacts option is turned on. So in order for you to turn off the contact syncing, all what you need to do is click on the toggle next to it to turn it off. And once the toggle has been turned off, it means that you have just disabled the contact syncing. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable and turn off the contact syncing on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.